Let's see how we can prepare task progress status graph in Excel. So this graph entirely depend on this table. The moment you make the changes here, it will reflect. So for example, task 2, we have 120 invoices, number of invoices completed is 35. If I make it as 85 or 84, you can see the changes will reflect here. Press enter. Now from 29, it becomes 70%. So let me delete this and let's prepare the entire graph and also remove this data here to show from the beginning. So number of invoices we 106 in, number of invoice process 87. So let's calculate number of invoice pending. For this is equal to number of invoice minus number of invoice process. Press enter and now let me extend this formula. To get the completion percentage is equal to the number of invoice process divided by the number of invoices. Press enter, you get the percentage. Let me extend this formula. To get the pending percentage is equal to 1 minus the completion percentage. You will get the pending percentage. Let me extend this formula. Now the data is ready to have the graph. So first I will select the task and then the completion percentage and the pending percentage. I go to insert tab here in the graph, uh, 2D bar, and I go for the last one. Here is the graph we have. So let me drag it here and let me expand for a bit. Now the first thing what I do is I take out the grids what we have in the background, and then here let's change this color. So since it's a completion color, so let's make it in green. Go to home tab, and here let's make it green here, and for the pending one let's make it red. Let me add the data label, add data label, and now it is in black, so let's have it in white. Control B. Likewise for the pending one, right click, add label, select this percentage, make it white, bold. Control B. And now so this task what we have, let me press Control B from the keyboard to bold it, and then let make it black. Likewise this percentage, Control B to bold, and let's select black. For this again Control B and let's select black. And now you can see if I make the changes here, 120 to 84, so now we have 84. Let's make it as 96 and press enter. You can see the data from 72 it become 80. Thank you.